Feeling like your space is too cramped or lacking privacy? Here are the 5 best room dividers I've found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. No Drill Curtain Rod. The Room Divider No Drilling Curtain Rod, which you can snag for just $39.99. What caught my attention was its unique no-drill setup, making it perfect for renters or those who don't want to damage walls. If you want a flexible way to separate spaces without the hassle of installation, this is worth a serious look. This curtain rod adjusts from 4 to 10 feet in height and from 28 to 114 inches in width. So whether you're trying to create a cozy reading nook or just need a temporary partition, it's customizable to fit any need. Plus, it's made from solid stainless steel and can hold up to 45 pounds, allowing you to hang any type of curtains you desire. Think heavy blackout curtains or light tulle. It's easy to set up, no tools needed, which is a relief if you're someone who struggles with assembly. Now, I did find some complaints about the stability when using heavier curtains. Here's the thing though, if you're mindful about the weight you hang, it shouldn't be an issue for you. This is perfect for anyone in a rental or students in a dorm who want to create some privacy without the long-term commitment. You should definitely consider this if you're looking for a low-effort solution to divide a room, but skip it if you plan to use very heavy fabric or need something that can withstand a lot of movement. Overall, it's a smart investment for the price. Now, if that flexibility was what you were after, but you want something with a bit more structure, the next option might be right up your alley. Product number 2. The Sonali Room Divider Curtain Rod. Priced at $29.98, its no-drill installation really stands out, as it allows you to create a separate space without leaving any marks on your walls. If you want a budget-friendly solution for temporary space partitioning, this one is definitely worth a look. This rod can expand from 4 to 10 feet in height and from 28 to 70 inches in width, giving you a lot of options for your layout. It's crafted from durable metal, which means it's going to last, and it's designed to hold up to 45 pounds. This means you can hang various curtains, from sheer to heavier blackout options, without worrying about sagging. The convenience of being able to install and remove this without tools makes it a breeze for anyone who's not handy. However, some users noted that the rod can wobble if not properly secured. Now here's my take. If you're careful during installation and follow the guidelines, you shouldn't encounter major issues. This is perfect for those who want to temporarily separate spaces, especially in apartments or dorms where drilling isn't an option. But skip this if you're looking for something super permanent, or if you need a divider that can handle a lot of movement. For the price, it really delivers on what it promises. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a more portable and versatile solution. Product number 3. Folding Privacy Screens with Wheels. The Room Divider 6-foot folding privacy screens with lockable wheels caught my eye for its portability. The ability to move it around freely is a game changer if you need flexibility in your space. If you're looking for something that can adapt to different setups, this is worth considering. This folding screen features 4 panels and lockable wheels, allowing you to easily reconfigure your space on the fly. It stands at 88 inches wide, providing ample coverage, and the fabric is not only durable, but also easy to clean. The lockable wheels mean you can keep it stable when you want it to stay put, which is essential if you have pets or kids running around. However, I did hear some feedback about the fabric being a bit thin. Here's the thing though, while it's not completely soundproof, it does provide a decent level of privacy for most situations. This is perfect for home offices or shared spaces where you need a temporary boundary. You might want to skip this if you need something more permanent or soundproof, but for quick changes and ease of movement, it's a solid pick. Now, if you liked the idea of a portable divider but want something with a bit more fabric coverage, the next one might be just what you need. Product number 4. Folding Privacy Screens. Another folding room divider, priced at $56.99. This one is a 6-foot portable room divider, and it's a similar concept to the last but without the wheels. It's got a stylish fabric design that easily fits into various decor styles. If you want a straightforward solution to divide your space without the fuss of mobility, this is worth checking out. This divider also stands at 88 inches wide and offers a 4-panel setup. It's lightweight but still sturdy enough to hold its own in various environments, whether at home or in an office. The fabric is designed for both aesthetics and function, so you won't just get privacy but also a nice look to your space. The downside I noticed is that it might not be as easy to move around compared to the wheeled version. Still, if you're setting it up in a space that won't need constant rearranging, that's not a deal breaker. This is great for anyone who wants a stylish way to create a private nook without complex installation. Consider this if you want a simple, effective solution, but skip it if you're someone who frequently rearranges your space. For the price, it offers a good balance of functionality and style. Now let's wrap things up with our final product, which offers a single large panel for those who prefer a more minimalist approach. Product number 5, the Rantila Large Panel Divider. We have the Rantila Single Large Panel Room Divider, priced at $35.99. This caught my attention for its sleek and minimalist design, which can easily blend into any room. If you want a simple yet effective way to create privacy, this is worth your consideration. This divider measures 71 inches wide and 69.5 inches high, making it a great option for creating a separate area without overwhelming your space. It's freestanding, which means you can easily reposition it as needed. The gray fabric is neutral and modern, which is perfect if you're looking to maintain a clean aesthetic. Now, some users mentioned that it might not be tall enough for taller individuals, but here's the thing. If you're using it for general privacy or to create a cozy nook, it does the job well without being intrusive. This is perfect for anyone who wants to define spaces without the bulk of multiple panels. You should consider this if you appreciate a clean look in your home, but skip it if height is a major concern for your needs. For its price, it's a stylish and functional option. So there you have it. Each of these room dividers brings something unique to the table. So let's wrap things up with a quick comparison. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Room Divider No Drilling Curtain Rod because of its flexibility and ease of installation. It really meets the needs of renters. For those looking to avoid something that might wobble with heavier fabrics, I'd recommend skipping the Sonali Room Divider Curtain Rod, as it might not provide the stability you're after. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.